I forgot. I forgot you were right there. I'm like, that's violent. It actually followed weight this time. Spoke too soon. Oh yeah, no, never mind. I had a brain fart. Had a moment. My brain was on hockey.
Go Twisters! Loud environment.
Shocking, Mike, shocking. Let's go, Twisters.
Good job, Ryan! Keep going, Julie! Good job, Joe!
Come on, Bryn. Oh, she's out.
Player!
Oh, one last half hand. The side of her bum has crossed the crease and she'd only been out for 4 seconds since then.
Get on it, on it, on it!
Come on, guys, get that. She's on her ground. Nice save, Chloe. Up top. two-line pass. Aja's ready there to fight it. Oh, I'm gonna have to play with the camera. Woo! Don't watch this game with sound on.
One more to go.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Oh, good try. Again. Good shot.
All right, Maddie with the ring.
Harder than that.
Maddie over to Sophia. Sophia with the shot. Oh, just off the bar. Come on, come on, come on. Dig it, dig it, dig it. Come on, Morgan. Come on, Morgan. Morgan over to Armstrong. Oh, Maddie. Back, Twist is back at the ring. Battle neutral. Not sure who has it. Oh, Richmond has it. Over to Cadence. Cadence at the ring. Up to Maddie. Maddie over to Bryn. Oh! Just a little too high on the flick.
Keep on it. Play basketball.
Go. Work together. Up to Bryn. Oh, she got it in reach. Oh! Bryn, third time's a charm.
Keep going. Third time's a charm.
Oh, nice shot by Claire. Goalie's got it.
Up front.
Oh, again over the net. We're going for high when the goalie goes down. Just a little too high still.
Good hustle. Good work. Get back.
Chloe's got the save. Put it out. Oh!
Good job,
Good job, Morgan. There for the battle. All right, Maddie, you got it. Good job, nice goal in by Maddie.
Way to go, Twisters!
We're up 1-0 now. 9 minutes and 52 seconds. More!
We're just warming up. It's not for lack of trying, that's for sure.
They wanted to feel all the sides. Checking the perimeter before they get started.
She kind of had his luck. And then the next one just landed on her.
Checker.
I know, eh?
Keep battling it. Keep battling it. Keep her out. Keep her out. Keep them out. Oh. Oh.
A little contact.
I don't know what that. Did she lie on the ring? Yeah.
Totally.
Well, I was gonna say that's why they didn't call Morgan for carrying it over the line. I'm pretty sure.
If it's black, should be white rims.
She didn't carry it. She passed it over.
Yeah, but she went down as she passed it. That's why. Yeah. What are you guys doing? Don't go behind him.
Go run.
Oh. Work together. Work together. Go get it, Charlotte. Go get it, Charlotte. Who got? What do we get a penalty for? Who's going in? Bryn got a slashing?
You pass them
I don't know
twisters.
what had happened.
When did that happen?
I don't know.
Video replay? Yeah, let's replay that one.
I know it.
All right, well, Bryn has a penalty for slashing. Richmond Hill on the power play. Ooh! Cadence almost put it in the roll now. Come on, guys. No shot, no shot. Get back, Cadence, get back! Don't let her in! Good job. Oh.
Trip.
Get back, push.
Good job.
Good job, Cadence. Use that reach, girl. Oh. Go get it, Cadence. Woo, that's your... I didn't know you could pick it up and pull it inside.
Checker.
Go.
Get her.
Push.
Push.
Good job, Chloe.
Go, Emily.
Good job, Emily. Good job. Get open.
Two. Be there. With the goal. They were off the power play.
Here we go, White.
Let's go, Twisters.
Oh, communicate, girls. That's two. Get out there, Roz. Get it out, Roz.
Get open. Good job, lads.
Come on, Roz.
Keep digging. Good job.
No, oh. Come on, Morgan. Oh, Morgan. Oh, she's up and okay.
Checker.
Charlotte.
Why are you guys backing up?
No.
Checker. Good job, good check.
Nice check from Bryn. Clear in the zone. Come on, open up, girls. Claire.
Cut.
Oh.
Good shot. Keep it up.
Cover up. Push her out. Oh. It hit the back crossbar. Yeah.
Good job, Chloe! She thought it was his too. And then Sophia had one that landed on the line.
Oh, come on, girls, get those passes.
Good job, Sol! Ski.
Get it out. Oh, come on. We've had a double miss pass there. Oh, another shot. Twisters.
Come on, girls.
Oh. All right. What did she just get a penalty for? I need a replay on that one too. I don't know when did that happen? Oh, okay, well, Emily's in the box. Richmond Hill has the power play, 2-1, just 2:37 in the first period. Hopefully we can... Ooh! Nice save by Chloe.
Good job, Chloe.
Pass up to Claire.
Nice.
Claire over to Matt. Bryn.
Drive to that.
Oh. She kept this one low. Goalie saved it. Nice save by Chloe there.
Good job, Joe.
All right, Joe's got that ring. Got to get it out. Over to Hodges. Hodges back to Bryn. Oh, Bryn did not get the grab on that one. Brendan, I think, got a little bit injured on that.
Good job. Good job, Claire. Good.
Push! Oh, we gotta get those passes, girls.
Go, Ryan. Go.
Oh,
Push.
good defense.
Use the boards.
All right, someone's gotta be up there with her. Oh, Roz, I think, tempted to try to get up the Ava. Ring and the rebound. Someone go! Go! Go, Joe! Go, Joe! Nice defensive goal by Jolie. Another one. We want more! She went in there so like... Good job, Joe!
There's always a spin.
Hopefully that was the Sunday.
You might need to get another one, Albert.
Good job.
Pressure. Good on her.
Shut down the shots, girls.
Shot clock.
You have to get it. Back it up.
Good job, Cadence.
Oh, Cadence to Morgan. Morgan up to... Oh! Darn clock. 2-2 going into the second period.
I'm wondering if there was less than 30 seconds left. I'm guessing.
Yeah, if there's less than 30 seconds, they don't run the shot clock. Oh. Yes, other the, that one.
It wasn't running the whole time that they were trying to be emotional toll that it takes to run the shot clock.
I can only imagine.
That's all that matters because someone yelling at you like, hey, you don't get the shot.
Push on the behind.
Yeah.
Checker.
Keep her out. No shot.
Good save, Chloe.
Get out of there, Cadence. I didn't even see that bounce back. All right, Cadence up to Morgan. Morgan over to Maddie.
Go, Morgan.
Come on, Morgan. Oh.
Rebounds. Try.
Go. Go, Morgan.
Keep going, girls.
Checker. Right there. Checker.
Get out of there, Emily. Yeah. I wasn't sure either. Oh, We got the ref on that one. Come on, Sophie. Soph has the ring.
Shoot,
Oh, a little high. Goalie ring.
No.
Hey, Mike. Just to give you an FYI. Not that it matters. Yeah. I just thought I'd let you know at some point in case I say it later. All right, good Sophie. Grab that one out of there. Morgan up to Sophia.
Drive the middle, girls.
Say it louder next time, Mike. Come on, girls. Come on. The clock. Shoot! At the net. Oh! Help her, help her, help her! Keep going, keep going! Woo! What happened? When all three skate, when all of them skate with the ring, will you get it blown down?
How do you lose the ring?
How did we lose the ring?
Justice for Claire. Claire had the ring.
They were moving it. Questionable.
Push her out, push her out.
Good job. All right, let's clear that out of there. Back to where we were. Oh.
Good try, good try.
Nice goal. I think that was for losing the ring on that drive. Let's do it again. Do it again, Twisters. Do it again. Whoa. All right, Roz. Roz has that out. Up to Morgan. Oh, Richmond Hill had a couple on her. A little short.
Pressure, pressure.
Keep her out. Push, push, push. Push. All right, good. Oh. Nice job, Chloe. All right, Roz got it skated out. Up to Morgan. Morgan is sending it up. Richmond Hill back with the ring.
Good check, Maddie, good try.
Keeping the pressure on. Morgan got it. Good read, Morgan. Oh, unfortunately got the goalie on that one. All right, Morgan's got it again.
Oh, good try.
Goalie again.
Keep it up, Twisters!
Keep the pressure on, girls. Pressure on.
Check, check, check! check.
Keeping the girls keeping the pressure on them.
Check her. Stick on her, stick on her.
All right, we got a little bounce back, but that's okay.
Touch it.
Keep her out, keep her out, keep her out. No way.
Let's try, Charlotte. It's okay.
I'll do a zoom in on that one.
Yeah.
All right, girls, that's okay.
Check her, Charlotte. Go.
Keep her out, keep her out. Keep them out, keep them out.
Good job, stay with her.
Keep them out, Dean.
Yes.
No, get it. That's yours. That's yours, Twisters.
Get it, get it. Yes. Get back.
Woo!
Good job, Charlotte.
Good defense. Get off the ring. All right, we got up to the neutral. We got a double line pass. We're gonna challenge it, challenge it. We got 2 twisters on it. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Up to Bryn. Oh, off the pad, off the... Oh, another rebound.
Do it again.
Oh.
Do it again.
Keep going, Twisters. You got time. You're resetting that clock. Oh, off the goalie again. Keep going, keep going, guys. Keep going.
Back, Char.
Challenge it.
Go, Ross.
Yeah, she's a little too early. Dropped her a little too early. Back to Richmond.
Hard on it. Cover the pass.
Oh. Throw out to Morgan. Morgan up to Soph. Oh, just missed that stab. She brought that over the line. Good job. Richmond brought it over the blue. Twister ring.
Let's go, Twisters!
I thought they were debating to not drop it on their side there for a second. Drive it, drive it, drive it!
Check her on the way back, check her on the way back.
Covered! No, let her in! in! Don't let her in! Just don't move, Chloe. Woo! All right. Should we lose some pants? All right, a little bit of Chloe wardrobe malfunction. She's back set. Richmond with the ring. Keep him out, keep him out, keep him out. No shot, no shot. Oh, Caden's lost track of that one.
See behind the net all along.
Watch behind ya.
Shoot!
Yeah, I hate that it brings it back though. Yeah, our shot, yeah. Shot clock's ruining some of our plays. You got it, Jefferson! Woo! All right, Chloe's got it out there to Emily. Emily up to Hodges. A little too soon.
Get back, get back, get back.
Come on. Someone help Bryn out.
Get back.
Push! No shot. Come on, D. Come on, D. No shot. No shot. Get it out. Get it out.
Out.
Good job. Up to Morgan.
Good job.
Morgan over to Stove. We gotta skate to those. We gotta skate to those.
Go, Morgan.
Oh.
Again.
Morgan's got it back. She got it back in the air. Oh, there we go. We got time. We gotta reset.
Oh, nice shot.
Oh, good job, Morgan. Good job, Morgan. Good job, Roz. Good job, Roz. That's yours, Roz. That's yours, Roz. Bryn is behind you. Oh.
Good job, Preston!
All right, goalie ring.
You ready to move, boys? Move!
Ooh.
Back to help!
Whoa. Heart attack. Chloe out to Bryn. Bryn up to Claire. I'm not sure who has it over the boards. I think Richmond might currently have control. We do have a penalty. We have a penalty on the call. We got a slashing. I am not sure. I think they're sending Bryn to the box.
Two teams on the ice, ref.
Tillsonburg with timeout. 3 minutes and 1 second left on the period. Currently, Tillsonburg's at 3-2. Richmond will be on the power play. What's that? 110. Well, hard to see what was happening down there, but still questionable. I just realized the shot clocks aren't in sync. They were a second ago, but then they were out. They were out by 4 seconds at one point.
ice it. Just ice it. Yeah, I know.
Go, Tessa!
Don't sit on it, White. Find another gear here.
Fire it down.
Ice it.
You guys got it, girls. No shot, no shot. This loud cup went a little woo-hoo. Big loud cup went puberty. All right, here we go. Game's back on. Nice save by Chloe. Oh, come on.
Okay, let's go, go, go. Go, Joe.
Get it.
Help her, check.
Don't fight each other, though.
Go for a skate, take your time.
Over to Ava. Oh. Richmond does not know where the ring is, but that's okay. It's 5. Let's use it.
Good job, Tessa.
Mike, did you just say push it in? Push it in? Yeah.
30 seconds down, that's okay.
All right, we got 34 seconds off our penalty so far. 2:27 left. Something just got angry in the building.
Well, 30 seconds until we have to shoot it.
Morgan's got the ring. Oh, unfortunately she got a check while she was trying to take that shot.
Check.
Good job.
Stay on him right there. Good job, Joe, good patience. Come to it.
Morgan's got that ring in center. Sophia with the ring.
Pressure, we got another 30.
All right, we got more 30 seconds left. On the...
Get it, Jolie!
Come on. Keep him out. No shot. Good job, Cadence.
Keep on it. Good job. Go to it, Soph.
What are we doing? Check. Don't let her in. Get it out, girls. Get it out. No. That was on the line.
Defense!
Here we go, working hard, White.
Let's go, Twisters! Hard D!
Check. Did that go in? Maybe if we wouldn't have had
Here we go, one good shot here.
You got it, Twisters! Drive her in!
Lots of time, let's go! Get it back!
Come on, girls! Shoot! Oh, come on. Where's the penalty on that one? Sorry. Where is it?
Checker!
got a goal with 8 seconds left on the clock, girls. We got 8 seconds. Oh, oh man. Whew. Good thing they can't see this side of the camera.
That was good.
Whew.
We had a penalty in the baseball. So they scored. So we got it.
Good defense for you.
I thought we should have scored because
Yeah, really, right?
Penalties are canceled if they score.
no. So
We're not. Where's our player? We're not.
I don't know. There's something funny happening.
Hargy! Let's go, girls!
They let her out. We'll take her.
Hold them!
Number 10!
Cover time, cover! Nice! Yeah! Yes!
Western for the win. 4-3. Good job, Tessa. Good job, cheer squad, captain.
Good job,
Woo, Twister! Woo! Did anybody get a picture of the pylon? No. You're just a little late, Albert, on pulling that back out.